In the realm of giggle-inducing pranks, the Hiccup Hilarities prank stands tall. It all begins when an unsuspecting friend is strategically given a drink known for causing hiccups. As the hiccups begin, laughter follows, but the twist comes when hidden speakers strategically planted around the room, activated by a remote, play exaggerated, comical hiccuping sounds at random. The room echoes with these hilarious hiccup sounds, causing unsuspecting bystanders to giggle uncontrollably, and some even joining in with fake hiccups of their own. The prank concludes with all participants rolling with laughter, having experienced a hiccup symphony that turned an ordinary day into an extraordinary burst of joy.